Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your employee account with Texas Roadhouse. So let's get started right away. First of all, just go ahead and open up your web browser, and then in the address bar, just type in pw.texasroadhouse.com and press enter. Make sure you type in the correct address and you will be directly taken into the login portal for employees. Now all you need to do is type in your credentials. So just go ahead and type in your username followed by your password. After entering both of these, you can simply click on the login button and you will be logged into your employee's account with Texas Roadhouse. In case you forgot your username or your password, you can click on Forgot Password and the Forgot Username button. And if you're a former employee, you can click on the Former Employee section to log into your appropriate page. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your employee account with Texas Roadhouse. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also, ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.